Extensive exercise question number 2 of lesson 9. As for this one, also we're going to convert them all into fractions. This one, you can have 2 plus 0.234 with 34 recurring, and then you're going to take away, this one is pretty easy for us to get, which is 98 over 99. In the bracket, divide by 11. So, we will have this 2 plus 990, because you got 2 recurring decimal, 3 and 4. 2 is not recurring, so we have 1 0 there. So we have 234 minus the non-recurring part, which is 2, and then take away 98 over 99 divided by 11, so it times by 1/11, right? So let's see, what do we have here? You will have this 2 plus 232 over 990, take away 98 over 99, okay, in the bracket, times by 1/11. Now let's have a look at this. What do we have? Can we simplify it? So firstly, we should, as for the bracket, we should convert them into the same denominator, which will be 990, right? 990. If you times it by 2, you got 0 at the end, which is 8, 1, and 9, plus this 232, and take away, because that's 99, so you times by 10, you have times 10 to this 98 as well, that'll be 980. All right, that's the fraction we have, and then you times it by 1/11. So what do we have? 198 minus 1980 minus 980, you got 1000, and plus this number will be 1232 over 990 times by 1/11. That's exact divisible by 11. 1232 divided by 11. You got 1 here, and you got 13, and you got 1, that is 11. You got 2 and 2, that'll be 2. So we know that this will be 112 times by 11 over 990 times by 1/11. These two can be simplified, so you got 112 over 990. These two numbers will be divisible by both divisible by 2. So if you divide it by 2, you got 56 over 495, and that's it. That's the answer to this question.